The Record Progress screen has a multitude of features, but it is important to first learn how the screen is designed. Think about it as three sections: left, middle, and right. The left side of the Record Progress screen displays a list of all active students in your classroom. The middle section shows all of the areas that you developed for your classroom on the Manage Lessons screen. After selecting an area in the middle column, the right side of the screen will now show the active lessons within that area. You can also filter this data in the middle column with topic or presentation material fields to be more specific. I'll explain that later in a different video. Within the area, you can see how the lessons were developed with a topic field, presentation material field, and lesson field. In addition, you'll notice 5 customizable statuses on the left and right side of the screen used to track progress. These lessons indicate if you plan to present a lesson, if you have presented a lesson, if you observe a student practicing a lesson, if you observe a student improving on a lesson, and finally, if you feel a student has mastered a lesson or become proficient at that lesson. The left and right side of the screen interact with each other in several ways to give you an understanding of your classroom at a glance. Therefore, you are able to see every status recorded for a student in a particular area, or see every status for every student on a particular lesson. Let me show you how this works. For example, if I select a student on the left side and select an area, I can now see the highest and most recent status recorded for every lesson in that area for that student selected on the left side of the screen. Conversely, if I select an area in the middle and a lesson on the right, I can see every status recorded on that particular lesson for each student on the left side of the screen with a date stamp of when that was recorded. This truly offers a bird's eye view of each student's activity in the classroom. Please explore more about the Record Progress screen. Some time spent up front learning about the dynamics and interaction between different parts of the screen will ultimately save you a great deal of time when assessing your students in the classroom throughout the year.